I'm Michael.
And I'm David. I'm a software engineer with over 15 years of experience.
And like many multi-billionaires, I dropped out of school.
So we met at a local tech startup, which we then got fired from.
Which gave us time to design the Ravelights. Ravelights beats the music, and they're wearable in a multitude of different ways. They are Type-C chargeable, and they look cool as
Michael designed the hardware from scratch, and we wrote the software from the ground up as well.
We've gone through over 5 internal generations working out the kinks and the bugs, and we're finally ready to hit production. Did you know it took us 2 years to realize that we should probably put clips on our wearable lights? I am not kidding.
Intelligent.
Julep, julep, julep.